Hi, here with Mr. Canada today, and we're looking at converting from standard form. This is when we have values that are going to be greater than 1, so this means that our n value is positive, okay? So our n value is greater than 0. Right? So, we're going to find an ordinary number, things that we've worked with our entire lives, and once again, it's a positive integer. So, make sure it's an integer. If it's a decimal, we know that something's funny going on, and you might have been doing some wrong calculations to get to that point. So, it's going to be bigger than the number in our question. We know this because it's positive. So, let's get right into the example. Okay, so write 1.35 times 10 to the 4 as an ordinary number. So, right away, since we've done the reverse process, well, it just makes sense that we have to do the same kind of steps. So 1.35 is our decimal. We're just going to write that out. So we did that last time, and then we did that times 10 to the blah, blah, blah. This time, we're just going to take this n value as 4, and that's going to tell us that we're going to move, well, our number's getting bigger, so we're going to move 1, 2, 3, 4 places. And then where we haven't had any zeros, right? We just fill them in. So once we're done, always rewrite it just so it looks a little bit cleaner without all the mess of working it out. So 13,500. Okay. Let's do the next one. Well, step 1, let's write out our decimal. Step 2, look at the n value, which is 1. This tells us we're moving once to the right, positive, and we know we're just getting bigger. So you can use a whole bunch of different reasoning to make sure that you're going the right way. So this value here is just simply 17. And lastly, we want to write 5.7, and then, well, we're moving it no times. So we just keep it as 5.7. I put that one almost there as a little bit of a silly one, just to show you that, hey, we're still going to use this idea of 10 to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1, so if you see that right away, you can just take out the decimal. Because of that, let's just do another little example off to the side right here, example 4. And let's do 1.1 times 10 to the 7. So we can write 1.1. Right. And they go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then simply fill in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. So, happy days, all done.